Watch out.
Good morning,
Watch
guys.
out.
Kind of early for this. How are you doing this? It's not an automatic, Brandon.
I don't know, just plug something in and then see if it starts working.
No. Don't pull a little harder and brake a little harder.
Alright, my bad, sorry.
Bro. It's actually hella comfortable.
Look at me, bro.
Hey, what the fuck, dude?
Alright, what are we doing?
Check it up and taking the wheels off.
Today we're gonna roll these fenders.
Right. Sure. Add some reverse mode.
Wait, what does that do? It adds horsepower. Oh, this adds horsepower?
Yeah.
Okay.
We do adds horsepower.
Yeah, rolling these fenders will add horsepower too.
Yeah, that adds 20.
Yeah, at least 20 per wheel.
So I thought I needed.
Alright, so we're gonna use this MIG jigger to roll the fenders. So our goal is to bend these inside so it doesn't rub on the tires when I lower it. Now that we got the wheel off, I think we put this on here, right?
Yeah.
I've never done this.
Neither
have you done this?
No.
Alright, so I think I put this on here. Put it on the rotor and then tighten it down. Like that. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so after you got it on, I'm going to take the dirt out from underneath here. Like underneath here. So that when you're rolling it, you don't want to squish the dirt with the fenders and then push the whole fender out. We gotta take the e-brake off.
Yeah. Doesn't fit?
This isn't the Chevy truck.
Oh, no.
So now that we got it loosened up, I think that we take this.
Did you clean it out good?
Oh yeah, we gotta clean it out. Get a rag and clean it. Don't breathe it in because I think you'll die. We take little chunks at a time so that you don't crack the paint. That's why I forgot my heat gun. Because if I brought my heat gun, we could heat all this up. Then it wouldn't crack. Alright, so we're gonna get a good angle on this so that just try to get lower like that.
Yeah.
And then raise it a little bit so that when we're pushing against it, it'll actually roll it up. Actually, that might push it out, huh? At first we should get like an angle like you had it before, huh?
Yeah.
Because this might push the whole fender out.
And then angle it. That sounds like...
I think we angle it then fine, because think about it. If we push this out like this, there's not going to be any give, you know?
Sounds the same, but I mean, yeah. That should be good.
And then tying this.
Okay.
Alright, now we want to take it slow so you don't bring the whole fender out. And then, I mean, I guess we could for a wide body.
Yeah.
Custom wide body.
Yeah.
You want to slowly tighten this while you move it back and forth so that you get a good even bend, yeah. Alright, we should change the angle.
Yeah, let's go.
So now we're gonna bring it more flat so that we can roll it up into this instead of pushing it out and just bending it. Look at the difference. That's nice. Alright, I'm gonna set the camera down. I'll show you guys after it's done. Alright, so we just got done. And this is as flat as we can get it without rolling the fender out. Yeah, but it did kind of roll it out. It's like a mini wide body. That's as good as we could get it without bending it more. I think it's pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna rub anymore. So that's your install for today, right? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I definitely learned a lot. I think I should have went slower when rolling the fenders because I think I pushed off the fender a little bit too much. It's not too bad, but you know, it could always be better. But I learned a lot from that. I hope you guys did too. Learn from my mistakes and like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.